What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So before we jump into the bodywork again on the car, we're gonna go ahead and answer some questions that you guys sent in. So let's get on with it. We got a bunch of duplicates and a bunch of them are pretty much asking us where are we from. So me and Christine are both from Hawaii. We ended up moving here in 2015 just to like broaden our horizons and see what's out there in the world, because you know, growing up on an island, your vision is pretty much the same. So we wanted to see what's out there in the world, and it's working out pretty well for us right now. Another question that we get a lot is, how did you guys learn all these things that you guys are doing on your cars? And to be honest, we just learned by doing them, right? So that's the only way that I know how to do it, is to just do it, right? So if you watch the videos, a lot of times you'll see that we don't always do the correct way on things, but they end up working out for us. So we are definitely not professionals. We're doing this for fun, you know, as a hobby, but we're not trained professionals by all means. You know, we don't claim to be. We're literally just doing everything in the garage here. So me and Christine, we are just learning. So everything you guys can see on camera is pretty much us just figuring it out. Now, a lot of people are asking, how does Christine know all these things? And it's pretty much the same thing. You want to give any better insight or?
I got into cars because of Blaine. He had a S14 and my favorite version of the 240 is the S13 Coupe. So when I got my license, we got me a coupe, and ever since then we've been into 240s.
Do you have a day job? Yes, I have a day job. Christine does not have a day job. She stays home and watches our daughter, but she also does social media, right? This is what we're trying to do here. So thank you guys out there for supporting us. You know, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase some merch, head to carshopbloom.com. We're about to drop some new merch, so just stay to the end and you'll get all the details on that. But yeah, no, I still work a regular job. The goal, I guess, in the future is to hopefully turn this into something full-time. But for now, I do what I gotta do to pay the bills. What tires do you run? So the main tires that we run is Kumo, Kendas, Federals, and Acceleras. Those are the 4 tire brands that we run here at Car Shop Bloom. What exhaust are you running? It's a MagnaFlow. It's a MagnaFlow that we hacked up and made fit to the 1UZ. The MagnaFlow actually came on the KA, so we just repurposed it, cut off sections, and made it work with the custom headers and stuff like that we did for the 1UZ. So yeah, it's a MagnaFlow exhaust. It's kind of like a Frankenstein exhaust, but it works, and it's really quiet, but it has a nice tone. Ooh, this is a good one. Who usually edits the videos, and what's your biggest tip for workflow and editing? So me and Christine actually handle the workload pretty much together. If I can't edit a video, she'll edit the video. If she can't edit a video, I'll edit the video. But we're usually together filming and all that stuff like that. But the biggest tip that I have for you guys is, if you guys want to get better at videoing or editing, is to just try to do a majority of your takes in one take. Because it's hard to chop everything up, especially like in your head. You might think that you know where everything's gonna go, but it's easier to have everything in one take, right? And especially when you go into post-production, like it's easier to put everything together when you have an idea of how it's supposed to go. So hopefully that makes sense, but if not, I'm sorry. Someone asked, where did you find your car? The fastback, we actually found it on Facebook Marketplace, and we got the Zenki off of OfferUp. So we just find our cars online. The other Zenki that we got from my brother, we got it through my friend Jeremy, so you know, word of mouth. So we just kind of, whenever we're looking for a project, we kind of just look everywhere. You know, we ask people and we look online as well. You just got to go and find the deals. You know, we typically don't want to buy the first car that we see. We kind of just have a list of things that we're looking for, and then we try to stick to those things. What over fenders do you have on the fastback? They are off eBay. They're 50 mil, 55 mil. They're just a generic like Duraflex ones that you can buy off eBay. And then we just molded them onto the car, as you guys seen in the previous videos. So last question is gonna be for Christine. Is there any tips or advice you can give to like girls that wanna actually get into cars?
So the biggest advice is to just not really care what other people think, because you may do it wrong, but you can still learn from your mistakes and try again the next time. So just trust the process and have fun.
So that's gonna be it for this Q&A segment, guys. We're gonna go ahead and start working on my car right now. We didn't get to all the questions, but we will try to answer them in future episodes. So if there's any more questions that you guys want answered, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. With that being said, let's go ahead and start working on my car. We need to delete the body lines on the doors, so that's what's gonna be in today's episode. And also we have new merch dropping at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And let's get on with the video.
The rest of the door is pretty straight, so I don't think I need to do any body work anywhere else. I'm just gonna double check to make sure, but I think just the line needs to be filled in. There's only a couple of sections right here that it looks like the paint was probably dripping from the last person who ever painted the car. So I'm just gonna go over this. It shouldn't need more than just a sand and right here. But the main focus is just to get this line taken away.
I used to date since back in 08. If you cool with it, baby, she can still play. While I jump inside that box and have a field day. Get my rocks up. You got my loyalty, you push me till I pop up. I can forever be you, give me nothing, so hard without you. Till it call me, you'll go find another one to keep you calm and tuck you in. And I don't wonder, will you call me? Will you hang me up to dry? It's my day when it is cold.
So obviously I'm not the best person at doing body work. I'm still learning how to do it, but there's some tricks that Blaine is teaching me that I'm trying to do with his car. So one of them is to apply the Bondo or the body filler wider than you think that it needs to be and go all the way to the surface that is smooth, so that way when you try to blend everything in, it's a whole lot easier than just trying to blend in this small section where you're trying to actually fill in. So I'm trying to do that right now. So I just finished putting all the Bondo on. I put it on the top part and on the bottom section. So I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of hours, just so that way it's solid and doesn't gunk up the sandpaper. And then we'll come back and just start sanding everything down.
Driving solo, I'm just running through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Pull me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Pull me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a beat now. Cause they give me confidence, I'm saying what I need now. The Zannies help me slow, the leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it and she beat down. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed down. Down the noodle rats, I look at faces, don't see no.
So we're gonna pick up the filler primer right now. This is all we need today, but like I said, we always come to our preferred.
They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take their toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Pull me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Pull me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, made me see shit. Never had no.
My screen printer just texted me that the shirts I ordered are ready for pickup. So we're gonna head over to his shop now. We do get them printed locally in California. We do use pretty high quality shirts and I really like the way that it feels. So I hope you guys are enjoying your shirts. Everybody that orders, we do appreciate it. We do try to put a lot of time, effort, and also money into the shirts to try to get a really good quality shirt and also to get it screen printed. It's more expensive to do that than like transfers and things like that, but we feel like it really has an effect on the quality. So I hope that you guys are enjoying these products.
I
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell. So you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you.
Look at this, Simon. Yeah, let's turn the shirts in the house.
Ready?
Yeah, look at it. 3,
2, 1.
2, 1.
Oh, good. He was able to keep the stay good there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sick. That's so sick.
You like it?
I love it. I made it. Oh, these are so sick. Look at this. That's so sick.
I know, it feels, oh sorry. It feels really good too because he does the smoothing on it after.
Look at that. It looks so good.
So it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's a gray shirt with a cream print on it. I think it looks good. So we got the shirts and I feel like they look super good. We've been wanting to do a cream color print for a while, and on the gray it looks so good. The screen printer was a little bit worried about this little stay good right here, but he was able to keep all the details in it and it looks really nice. So we're going to be releasing them as soon as we take some pictures for them. We're going to have them in size small to 2XL, so let us know what you guys think about the new shirts. I'm super stoked about them. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and stay good.